Well, here it is, $170 worth of stuff. Let's see what we have here. Looks like well, we've got bolts. Coated. No instructions. This, I think, has got to be the front. This has got to be the rears. Somebody said that the edges were pretty sharp, but this one doesn't seem to be. So we'll see what we can do to put it on. Okay, these have 11mm nuts. Looks like it should be put on this way. And let's see what happens there. Well, based on the fitment of the bars, you've got a long, medium on the back, and then one short on the front with a hole on the outside that I assume is going to hook up with the web on the arm. We shall see what that works. There was talk about having to drill a hole, and it would look like, or it looks like to me, that the hole is down here for this, goes into the web. So, and you can see the nut. It's barely a thread or two on it. So we will go from there. On the back, it looks like it goes on something like this. So there's a redneck way to get the thing up so I can drill from the underside up. And we shall see how it works. The hole size should be 1/4 inch. At least that's the bit I have. And it should work. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Now all I gotta do is tighten these down with my 11mm socket and go from there. I got about a thread through the lower bolt, and the upper bolt, or the one I just drilled, has a lot of thread. So here's the one on the other side, and I wonder if this is going to cause problems when it goes up and down. I'm not sure. We'll have to see, I guess. Let's see what it looks like when I reverse. Well, that hole didn't quite go as planned. It's further back than it should be, but we'll see how it works. Okay, I had to bend the medium-sized brace, the one on nearest the tire, to get the nuts on. But now we'll tighten this all up and see how it goes. So I've got 3 of them on, and the 4th one I am not going to do because I've got a torn boot right there, and I'll fix the boot and then go from there. I'm not sure whether that would have helped anyway, but can't hurt, I guess. And that's what these look like. So, for left turn or right turn, and it looks like we've got interference down there. But what do I know? For right turn, and once again, looks like it's got a little bit of interference in there.